7. Powerless men. The Roman satirist Juvenal despised religion. He wrote, quote, "Can't you see how naive and comic a figure you cut these days with your adamant belief that a man should stick to his word, that there's really something in all this religion guff?" End quote. Yet, Juvenal spent much of his time writing against his fellow Romans for their lack of morality. His writings tell us why Rome was in trouble. Neither he nor those whom he satirized had any true faith or integrity. St. Paul saw this also, even in men within the church whom he described as, quote, "traitors, heady, high-minded, lovers of pleasures more than lovers of God, having a form of godliness, but denying the power thereof." 2 Timothy 3, 4 and 5. Such people are better outside the church than within. The sad fact is that Juvenal's world and ours are very much alike. When Christian faith ceases to be the dominant force in a man's life, then he is, to all practical intents, in Juvenal's camp. He is, quote, denying the power, end quote, of Christ in his own life and in the world, and he is sentencing himself to a contempt for life, an essential impotence. For all his intensity, Juvenal made no difference to his day. Jesus Christ, through more men like St. Paul, did.